As you can see, I entered. Right here is your very spacious living room. So right here is your very spacious kitchen. Right here is your bedroom, your master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a 2 BHK actual flat tour of Parkway by Nandivardhan. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual lobby of the project. I'll be taking you outside on the main road, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which will lead to many calls. But now, you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overviews, 1 towers, ground plus 21 floors with a configuration of 2 BHK only. Talking about amenities, so this project has basic amenities like gym and sitting area. Talking about the connectivity of this project, so this project is located right behind Ruia College, Matunga East, with Matunga railway station and Dadira railway station at a distance of just 5 minutes. Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 2 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let me give you this 2 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 815 square feet of Parkway Nandivardhan. As you can see, I entered. Right here is your very spacious living room. So this is your actual flat. You're going to be getting the flat as it is. Just look at the amount of walkable space in this living room. And then right here, you're going to be getting French window with a private deck where you can easily enjoy your coffee with this amazing view outside. Have a look at the view as well. Moving ahead, right here is going to be your dining table area. So a 6 to 8 seater of dining space can easily accommodate because this living room is quite spacious. Now let's go ahead. Right here is your common washroom. Again, a quite spacious common washroom which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Let's go check out the kitchen. So right here is your very spacious kitchen. Have a look at the space in this kitchen. Like you get L-shaped platform over here and another separate platform as here as well, and still there's so much of walkable space. Moving ahead, right here is your dry space for your washing machine attached to the kitchen. Again, very spacious. And right here where your platform ends is your refrigerator area. So a 2 double door refrigerator can easily fit in over here. So it's a room size kitchen almost. Right in front of the kitchen is your first bedroom. So this can be your kids' bedroom. Again, a quite spacious bedroom. After placing a whole bed, there'll still be so much of space. And then you get half French window attached with this amazing view to the room. Now let's go check out the master bedroom, but before that let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. As we enter, this is your foyer space. Moving ahead, right here is your bedroom, your master bedroom. After placing a whole king size bed also, there will be so much of walkable space in this room. And then right here is your attached washroom to your master bedroom. Again, a spacious washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. In this room as well, you will be getting half French window attached with a nice amazing open view. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Parkway by Nandivardhan. To get more information about this amazing project, do check the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also, do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.